So as requested, here is a tomahawk close-up. I hope it's close enough, and I hope that you you can see it. So it's shaped, I suppose it's a bit shaped like a crab, isn't it? So you'd have the crab, the front claws there, and then it curves around, and then you've got a hook there and a hook there. The thread is threaded around the stem. There's a wire that goes through. I don't think I've got one that's nearly naked, as it were. So yeah, so there's the wire that goes through there, and then the string is wrapped around the wire like you would rather a yarn of wool before it's made into a ball. And so it's on baler's twine, and then there's one hook, there's the other hook, and all you do is you hook it up like so, and there you have it. It's a really easy peasy way to do things. And the clips, you have to buy these separate. You might be able to get them from the same place. So the clips are little circle things, a bit like a Jubilee clip without the screwdriver, you know, thing. And then all you do is when you open them, you've got these little this spine here, and then there's little teeth on this side which are joined to that side. And then what you do is you take your string and you just put the string on the spine like so and just close it, which it clips like that, and there you have your clip attached to the string, which you can then put this clip around your tomato plant or your cucumber plant or your melon plant, or anything that you want to climb up the string or to steady it on the string. And then you, way to go, Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt, and you know. So there. So I hope that you can see it. So there's my close-up view of the tomahawk, spelt well, as you say it, Tomahook, because that's what it is. It's a tomahawk, not a tomahawk, a tomahawk. So I shall put this back up on the wire over there because this is for my tomatoes.